Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Now see, the topic is stop interchanging equal to and approximately equal to. Most of the time students have the confused when they will put equal to sign, when they will put approximately equal to sign. They will confuse. Even sometimes the parents and teachers also, they will confuse to write. So I will make it clear here. So if I take the square root of 9, then as we know that square root of 9 is 3, so we can write here equal to. This is the appropriate sign. But if I take the square root of 2, you will get the value this is 1.41, then other numbers are also there. So this is we cannot put equal to here, because root 2 here we can write, if we take the value after decimal, after decimal, if we take 2 digit, then here approximately equal to 1.41 we can write. So in that case we have to write approximately equal to, because many other values are there, we are not taking, we are taking after the decimal, we are taking only 2 digit. Then here you cannot put the equal to sign, this is, you have to put approximately equal to. This is the appropriate sign. But if I take another example, 5, if we take 3 plus 2, yes, this is the appropriate symbol, equal to, because 5 plus 2 exactly equal to the 5. Here we can write equal to sign 5. But suppose 1 by 3, that is 0.3, some values are there. So if we wanted to take after one decimal, after a decimal one digit, then 1 by 3 we can write approximately equal to 0.3, because many others values are there. We have just keep all these values we have taken after decimal, we are taking the one digit. Then here you cannot write equal to sign, here always you have to put equivalent to sign. Another example, 0.257. If I wanted to write after after decimal, if I wanted to write after 2 digit, after decimal 2 digit, then how will write? Suppose after decimal I wanted to keep it 2 digits, so 2, then it will be 6. Since the 7 is more than 5, then we can add here 1, right? So this is after decimal, if we keep it 2 digit, then it will be 0.26. So here we have to write equivalent, not equal to. I hope it's clear where you will put equal to and where is equivalent to. I hope it's clear for everyone. Thank you very much for watching.